Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem maximum sum circular subarray. Here is the code and I will explain you by dry running it. To explain it, we will see three test cases. So basically there are three scenarios. One is max is in between, in this case is 3. Then one is circular, last and middle we have the minimum, and then third all are negative. Okay, in previous videos you have seen how to calculate maximum sum in normal array. So basically we have to find current sum and global sum for normal array, but here we have circular array, so we will find current sum, current minimum, global sum and global minimum. Basically I am writing a for loop iterating for each element of an array and then calculating current sum, current min, global sum and global min. I will show you why I am calculating total. Okay, so let's start. So here we have written first condition, if max sum is less than 0. So if all the elements in the array are negative, for example, this is basically third test case, we can say -2, -3, -4, then output should be -2. Okay, so this is edge case, max nums is less than 0, then return max of nums, so this will return -2. Okay, so we have two more cases to understand this problem. So let's take this where we have maximum element 3 in middle. Okay, so how it will work, we will get nums here, nums, then it will check max of nums is less than 0, which is not. Then I'm creating four variables, current sum, current min, global sum and global min. I'm assigning 0 for current sum and current min. It doesn't matter because it will eventually calculate the actual elements. Then global sum and global minimum, so here I am declaring it to num 0. Okay, and then I am calculating total. This is for second edge case, so I will show you why we are calculating total. There is another way as well, we can calculate, like Python provides inbuilt function sum of nums minus global minimum, we can return it. So for this case we will see we are iterating through each and every element for n in nums. So now we have n here. Okay, then current sum, I will write current sum, current minimum, global sum and global minimum. Okay, so here current sum max of n comma current sum plus n. So in this case 1 n is 1 comma current sum plus n means 1 comma 1, so current sum will be 1. Okay, current min will be minimum of n comma current min plus n, so current min currently is 0 and this one is 1 and 1. Okay, so for 0th iteration, this is first iteration. Okay, so current min will be minimum of n comma current min plus n, so it will be 0 only. Global sum total will be 1, this is total plus equal to n. Global sum will be maximum of current sum, comma global sum, current sum comma global sum, it will be 1. Then global minimum will be minimum of current mean and global mean, so it will be 0. Okay, in second iteration n will be here, that is -2. Then maximum of -2 comma current sum plus n. So current sum plus n means -1 comma 1, so it will be 1 only. Sorry, -2 comma current sum plus n means -2 plus 1, it's -1, so it will be -1. Okay, then minimum will be -2 comma current mean plus n means -2 comma -2, minimum will be -2. Global sum will be total will be -1. Okay, then global sum will be maximum of current sum comma global sum, current sum comma global sum max, that means 1, this one. Global minimum will be minimum of current mean and global mean, this one, -2. In third iteration n will be here 3, then current sum will be 3 plus current sum, that is -2, and comma n means maximum of 3 comma -2, that is 3. Then we have current mean 3 comma -2 plus 3, that is 1, so we will have 1 here. -2 plus 3, okay, we will have 1 here. And then global sum will be maximum of current sum comma global sum, so it will be 3. Global mean will be -2 comma 1, so it will be -2 here. Okay, then n will move here to -2, then it will again calculate current sum equal to max of -2 comma current sum plus n, 3 -2 is 1, so max of -2 comma 1, so we will have 1. This is fourth iteration, last. Then we will have current mean -2 comma current mean plus n minus -1 and -2, so we will have -2. So global sum will be 3 comma 1 max, that is 3. Global mean will be minimum of -2, this will be -2. Now the control will come here and it will return maximum of global sum comma total minus global minimum. So maximum of 3 comma total we have total we have 0. Okay, all these elements 0 comma 0 minus global minimum, that is -2, so -2 comma 3, max of 3, so it will return 3. Okay, output will be 3. So this is for normal case, we have maximum sub array in middle. Okay, so why we have written global minimum and we are calculating current minimum, it is for second case, that I will show you here. Let's say we have array of 5 comma -3 comma 5, so this is circular array, right? So we have maximum sub array here 5 plus, output should be 10, correct? So in this case what will happen, we will calculate total 5 plus 5 plus -3, that is 7, and minus global minimum. So in this case global minimum is 3, so minus of -3, that is equal to 10. So this is the logic we have to apply, and that's why we are calculating current sum and global sum. We already have seen. This is for normal case, okay, in previous videos. So for this circular case, we have to calculate current mean and global mean, so that we can subtract from total, so that we will get the output. Okay, so that's why we have written this code. So I will try run this. Okay, so control will come here, then it will check it is this if condition is false, then it will create current sum and current mean with 0 0, global sum and global mean with 5. So I will write down here current sum, global sum, current mean, global mean. So n is here first, so current sum will be 0, current mean will be 0, global sum first, this is 0th iteration, and for first iteration 5, it will calculate max of n comma current sum plus 5, that means current sum will be 5. Total, we can write some inbuilt function of array, sum of nums, that is also will calculate in on, but since we are iterating, we are calculating. Okay, so total it will calculate 5. So here now 5, global current mean will be n, minimum of n plus current mean plus n, 5 comma current mean plus 5. So current mean will be 5 minimum, right? Then it will check global sum, max of current sum comma global sum, so 5. Similarly for global mean. Okay, the n will move here -3, current sum will be max of 5, max of -3 comma 5 plus -3, that means 2. So max will be 2, then it will check current mean n, 5 plus -3, minimum of -3 comma 5 plus 5 minus 3, 2. So here current mean will be -3, and global sum will be 5 only, it won't change, and global minimum will be minimum, that is -3. Then it will move to here 5. So it will check 5 comma 5 plus 2, that means 7. Okay, so it will check which one is greater, this is 7. And for current mean same, -3 plus 5 is 2, 2 comma 5. So 2 is minimum and global will be -3 only. So and total it will calculate 5 minus 3, 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, so when it will come out of the loop, it will return max of global sum. Max of global sum is 7 comma total 7 minus of global mean -3, that means max of 7 comma 10, so it will return 10. Okay, we got our output. So in first case I made one small mistake. In current mean will be minimum of 1 comma current mean plus 1, means it will be 1, and global mean also will be 1, so that it doesn't matter if we assign it 0 here. Okay, thank you.